Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this Christmas tree display. Oh, I just absolutely love this. It's so rustic country and it's using wood I had laying around the house. Let's get crafting, guys. From a project we recently did, we had an extra 2x4x8, so it was 8 feet long. And my husband cut it down to 3 27-inch pieces for my project because he's such a sweet guy. I'm also going to be using Minwax stain in chestnut. And the first thing I'm going to do is just give these 3 pieces of wood a great coat of stain. I'm doing the front, the back, the sides, everything. And then we can come back in and start painting. So this is what it looks like once I got my coat of stain on. It's so pretty. I love the wood grain. I'm all about rustic country Christmas and I was so excited to do this project for you guys. So then I'm going to come in and just add just a little bit of paint. And I know it's going to look like a lot when I start painting, but I'll show you the step to make it look like it's just old barnwood that maybe had a coat of paint on it at one time. And I'm coming in with Waverly Mineral chalk paint and just dipping my brush and just going over the wood randomly. I was trying to do like the more chunkier in different areas so it didn't all look the same. And I just came in and did it on just the top and went all the way from end to end. So as soon as I was done painting, I came back in with my sandpaper and started sanding down what I had painted. This brings the original color through and it lightens the paint you just put on it and it makes it look like that paint has been there forever. And here's an up close look at what it looks like after I was done sanding. You can see the paint, but it's not bold. It just looks like it's a piece of that wood, like it's been around forever. And that's the look I was going for. Using a white paint pen, I am just drawing Christmas trees on here. No rhyme or reason, just really having fun with it and just drawing different designs of trees on all 3 pieces of wood. I wanted each tree to be unique and different and have its own style. So you can just have fun with this, be creative, draw these trees any way you would like. I am trying to fill up the majority of the center of this piece of wood with the tree on each piece. After I had an idea of how I wanted my design, I came in with Waverly and plaster and I went over the chalk or the painted lines, making them bold and adding different textures, different swipes with my paintbrush until I had the desired look on all 3 pieces. This is so much fun to do because you can have it chunkier paint in sections and then come back in with your paintbrush and make swipes where it's not as much paint on your paintbrush, and just have fun being creative and doing different designs on all 3 of these wood pieces. I found this kind of beige white string out in my shed, so I'm going to use this on my project. But you can use twine, you can use jute, you can use nautical rope, you can use yarn, you can use whatever you want if you want to add this step. And I'm just adding some hot glue to the top, and I'm just twirling that white twine around the top, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. I'm going to do this on all 3 pieces, trying to get a different design each time I do it so that they're not all the same. This is just so cute, so rustic country, so easy to make. And if you have the wood on hand already, it's basically free, which we all love free, right? And I just think this adds so much rustic country to your decor, and you made it yourself, which is always a bonus. It's always special when you have decor pieces laying around that you've created. I love Dollar Tree DIYs, and there's some of them that I've done already this season, but I absolutely love using real wood to make projects and have that in my decor as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. This video is number 7. I'm doing 25 countdown to Christmas, where I'm doing a video a day for 25 days. So this is video number 7. I've been a busy girl. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out tremendously. It tells YouTube you liked it and others might too, so that they should share it. I love y'all. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.